Hey everyone, I recently took a trip to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And of course, I couldn't leave without doing some serious market research, which is just a fancy way of saying I went shoe shopping. Today, I am reviewing two very different stores I found in the heart of the city. First up is a hidden gem for the edgy soul, Thrang Boots. If you're looking for structure, leather work, and a bit of attitude, this is the spot. It feels very artisanal. They specialize in boots, from sleek ankle styles to more rugged silhouettes. As a ballet teacher, I am obsessed with how a shoe supports the foot. These boots have a surprisingly solid construction. The leather quality for the price point was a standout. If you want a statement piece that feels sturdy, Thrang Boots is a must visit. I was immediately drawn to these striking cherry red pointed heels. The way the patent leather caught the light was pure elegance. As a ballet teacher, I am hypersensitive to toe box pressure and alignment. These red patent heels were stunning, but the steep incline combined with that narrow point felt like a recipe for discomfort. I chose to pass on the glamour pain and headed back to the boot section for something with more structural support.
Happy Woman Day.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you. Next, I headed to Nice Smile. This is a complete 180 from the first shop. This is where you go for your pretty shoes. Think feminine heels and my personal favorite, ballerina flats. It's a candy shop for footwear. They have a massive range of colors and textures. Their ballerina flats caught my eye immediately. Being in the industry, I'm always looking at how brands handle the flat, and NY Smile does a great job making them look chic rather than just functional. The heels are trendy and perfect for evening wear. This is a perfect stop if you're looking for variety and on-trend designs that won't break the bank. Until next time, keep your standards high and your shoes comfortable.